Are you overwhelmed by the never-ending list of household chores? Do you wish you had more time to relax and enjoy your home? Look no further. Introducing Cleaning Services CPT, your go-to solution for all your domestic cleaning needs. Our professional and reliable team of cleaners is here to make your life easier. Say goodbye to dust, dirt, and clutter. We specialize in providing top-notch domestic cleaning services tailored to meet your specific requirements. From scrubbing bathrooms to sanitizing kitchens, our meticulous cleaners from Cleaning Services Captain will leave no corner untouched. We'll dust every surface, vacuum every carpet, and mop every floor, ensuring your home is not just clean, but sparkling and fresh. Imagine coming home to a pristine environment, free from the stress of cleaning. With Cleaning Services CPT, you can relax, unwind, and enjoy the comforts of your beautifully maintained home. Whether you need regular cleaning assistance or a one-time deep clean, we've got you covered. Our flexible scheduling options ensure that we can accommodate your busy lifestyle. Experience the convenience and peace of mind that comes with a professional domestic